Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore a amazing topic of Photoshop designing a badge with arrow shapes. Start by drawing a circular badge base using the custom shape tool and arrow shapes around the badge for a dynamic layout. Also apply a bold color to the badge for strong visibility. Insert a smaller circle inside for a double border effect. Apply gradient overlay to give the center a polished feel. Also add a shadow under the arrows for depth. Insert stars or ribbon shapes inside the circle. Add text along the top edge using a circular path. Now use bold font to match the badge line. Insert highlights for a metallic shine. Add textures overlay for a premium finish. Also apply soft shadows